guys! So, bangs is on the menu today. I haven't had bangs for the last 6 years. I think what's really fashionable right now are the see-through Korean bangs that you see everywhere today. I'm gonna try to do that. I think, right. Much better. Right, so for today, you will need the same usual pair of things. Comb, scissors. Got a couple of hair clips to help hold the rest of my hair in place while I bang it on. And also I have a nice round brush for curling my bangs after I'm done. And because you want to do that, then you kind of need a blow dryer too. If you're interested to see how I cut my own hair from a one length blunt cut bob into this layered bob that I'm sporting right now and which I absolutely love, I will link that video right up here, so just go ahead, click on that. Let's get started. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow? I'm going to draw a triangle of the hair that I want coming down in front. So I'm using the sharp point of the comb. Do this right, we'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Yeah, it's about 2 cm in from my hairline. Right, so then also the hair is kind of like, from the tallest part of your eyebrows, both sides of your face. This is the section that you want. Honestly, this looks like the beginning of some古装戏 Chinese, kung fu fighting drama hairstyling. Of the maiden do things at the side. Right, okay, I'm gonna take a smaller triangle in the center. I'm just gonna chop to the level at the tip of my nose, so it's not too short, because remember, you're actually gonna be styling them. You need a little bit extra length so that they kind of pop. Right, so here I go. As you can see, I pulled when I was snipping the hair, so now when I let go, it bounces up. It's actually on top of the tip of my nose, but it's okay, it's still long enough. The next step then is just really simple. You just get this side. I'm gonna give myself a nice little incline and just snip along that. I think it's too long. I think I need to cut it a little bit more. To be on the safe side, I am going to style it with this so that I can see how it curls up before I cut any more length off. Right. So, okay, I think I'm on the right path and they look really cute at the moment. So I just need to get the length right. Tonight we could do this right, we'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me? Okay, I finally got it to this length after messing around. 20 minutes. Check this out, if I wanted to go back to a side swept fringe, and there you go. So I think I'm done with my bangs. It's a very different look and actually I love it. What do you think? I hope this video helped you and that you enjoy yourself. Next up, I'm due to be dyeing my hair, so if you want to see how that goes, subscribe and stay tuned, and see you next video. Bye!